So I'm just standing here thinking, what's the big deal about this center of mass thing? Like, why does it even matter where the center of mass of a system is? I mean, it's just a point where the mass is considered to be concentrated, right? But how does that affect anything? Is it just for math, or is there some real-world impact? Then there's this bit about rigid bodies. Their center of mass stays the same whether they're standing still or moving. That sounds kind of important. Does that mean even if the body spins or moves around, the center of mass won't shift? How does that shape the way objects move or fall? Also, I saw the moment of inertia thing. It's like inertia but for rotation, so is it like a measure of how hard it is to start spinning something? How does the shape and mass distribution affect this? It's weird to think that sometimes the center of mass is even outside the object itself. How does that happen? Like, how can the balance point be outside the real object? Could that explain why some stuff spins or falls weirdly? And about torque, it's like a twist force. So depending on which way you push or pull, the object spins differently. Why do we say torque can be positive or negative? Is it just the direction of spin, or is there more? I also read that angular momentum is kind of like rotational momentum, and if there's no external torque, it stays constant. Does that mean if something is spinning in space without any outside forces, it will keep spinning forever? This conservation of angular momentum reminds me of figure skaters pulling their arms in to spin faster. How does reducing their radius affect their moment of inertia and rotation speed? So, what could be some everyday examples or challenges where knowing about center of mass, moment of inertia, and torque really matters? Like, in gaming, building stuff, or even in real life. If I'm walking around in some game, and I bump into walls and fall doing dramatic deaths, is it because my character's center of mass or moment of inertia isn't balanced? Makes me wonder how physics glitches launch me sometimes. What do you think? Does understanding these motion concepts really help in life or just in physics class?